Tired of the AI noise? Your workflow, now smarter. Real help, built right in. Get more done, effortlessly. This is Google Workspace with Gemini. Welcome to Help Not Hype, a series showcasing how Google Workspace, enhanced with Gemini, solves real business challenges and delivers concrete value. We're cutting through the AI clutter to bring you real assistance, right where you work. Let's introduce you to one of our users and the real-world problem they're facing. This is Joshua, a sales manager in the fast-paced e-commerce world. Managing multiple clients and campaigns every day, he needs tools that keep him connected and productive. Joshua faces a common challenge in her role. Let's see what it is. Joshua faces a common challenge in his role: juggling constant client updates, reports scattered across platforms, and endless follow-up emails. Now, let's see how Google Workspace with Gemini helps Joshua overcome this challenge. The solution is Google Workspace with Gemini. Using Google Workspace with Gemini, Joshua quickly summarizes long client threads in Gmail, extracts action items from meeting notes, and updates sales reports automatically in shared sheets. Everything stays organized and accessible in one place. What does Joshua love about Google Workspace and Gemini? Let's hear the key benefits. First, Joshua saves valuable time by letting Gemini summarize emails and meetings automatically. Next, teamwork becomes seamless as everyone stays updated in real time through Google Workspace. Finally, with routine tasks handled by AI, Joshua can focus on strategic planning and growing client relationships. Ready to transform your workflow? Experience the help, not the hype. Google Workspace, truly helpful AI.